Hi.
We're going on an adventure into the woods. Okay, oh, this private car park, and it says, what do we do?
Can't we sit in there?
I don't know.
It's just
What do we do?
parking.
What do we do, chat? What do we do?
It's just...
Welcome to Bluebell Woods. The bluebells are only here for 2 weeks at a time, so don't miss it.
As you can see, this part was cordoned off at one time with all this wire. It means it's an old mine shaft, so you got to be careful not to fall down the big hole. Here it is.
Okay, so before I start, I just want to say that Sophie is one of the most silliest people in the planet right now. Okay, so just tell everyone what you did.
So we were nearly out of the woods. It's been a long walk all day. Finally on the way home, just looked down and realised that my ring is no longer on my finger. So panic, we had to go back, looking for every single bush, looking in the mud. Thankfully I found it though. But
thank God for that.
Could have been a disaster. I've had this ring since I was 18.
Yeah, it would have been a travesty if you'd lost it. Thank God for that.
Woo.
So what have you learned from this tryout?
That it's taken a long time.
Yeah, it's taken a long time, and we're trying loads of different shots and we don't know if they're going to work or not, so.
Yeah, but hopefully we got some good ones.
I think we did, for a beginner. No, I think we got the eye, haven't we? The eye, creative eye.